Hey everybody, welcome back. Check this out. As you can see here, we have the CrewZinn stand, American made. Pretty important thing here. It's even got a Made in the USA sticker on the top. You got to appreciate that, people that are doing that these days. Not much else on the outside of the box, so we'll get right after it. And here you've got your instructions. You have CG stickers, which you can see here as we get them out here, but the stand, and it also does center of gravity balancing as well, and you've got some options for that. So we will take it out here. You'll notice this comes, oh well, crafty, got me already. I don't know if you guys can see it there, right there. He's got a zip tied and glued in the bottom of this package. Pretty good idea. I didn't even notice that at first until I was trying to take it out. Let me see if I can bust it loose here for you. There we go. Alright, great. There is that. Very cool. We have our stickers. Bunches of stickers. And some more stickers. Oh, and a couple more stickers. There's some more stickers. Cool. Alright, good. So far we're thinking above and beyond here. So you can see, pretty well built. You got some durable aluminum ends here on this baby. Got some super soft foam. These here are for your balancing, for center of gravity. So you'll do like so. And depending on the width of your model, you could go really wide, or you can go really narrow. And these of course come off. They got little glue dots on them, so they don't mark up anything. I hope that shows up for you guys. So you don't have to use these big old deals if you've got a small airplane. You can use little ones. Pretty cool. Nice, they were thinking. And of course they've got nice little holders so you don't lose any of the bits. How can you not like that? So the big thing for this is I'm going to use it on the F22 that I just got. Make sure you check out that video. I'm going to be doing a build here next tonight with that, and we're going to be using this on it. So keep it short and sweet. Got some foam pads here on the bottom. That'll be nice to keep it from sliding around. As I said earlier, you have your CG stickers. Let's see here. Get her to focus on there for you. Got lots of those. Very cool. So you can set your CG stickers. You can see it's got a ring on them. Let me get that up there again. You can see it's got a ring on it. The size of these babies. And the little ones. It's dual purpose here. So they're really thinking outside the box here, guys. This little strip here is a magnetic deal. Here's one of the Raptor control rods. Linkages. Just sticks on there. They were thinking, you got something that needs screws. You can put screws on there for assembly. I mean, who thinks that? Good job, guys. So there we go. I think that's about the gist of it. You can also move this cross member down to the bottom. So if you take these screws out, you can put the cross member here down at the bottom for more clearance, if you need clearance for canopies or whatever else would be in the way there. If you're going to transport your model on this thing, you can put bungees across from these holes across to the other holes. You know what I'm saying? So up and over and down. Transport your model. They've got pictures in here. Here's how I was just talking about. I mean, they thought of everything. Here you can see the support, center support in the bottom. There's the hardware magnet. There's how it fits onto the little sticker. There's a good size airplane on it right there. We're gonna put my big old F22 Raptor on it. So yeah, good job guys, I'm impressed. 100% American made, gotta love that. So, like, comment, subscribe. Give these guys a look. I'll have the link down below in the description, and check them out. Okay guys, we'll do one quick test here. Of course, you're all familiar with the big Freewing Raptor I just spoke of, but look at that. Just fits right on there, very sturdy. The rubber mounts give it a little squish so it doesn't damage anything, but it's on there. Believe me, it's on there. Awesome. Love it. Love it. Good job, guys.